was a cold one. Time to get out into the sunshine.
Morning. I dropped my beautiful wooden cup and cracked it, so now I'm reduced to drinking coffee out of a plastic water bottle till I can replace it. So all these different mineral waters are at different temperatures with apparently different curative benefits. Let's try this one. Oh, it's warm. Oh, 50 degrees, I guess. That's got to be good for you. that tastes nasty. Armenian Snickers in the sunshine. No, malenki. Пожалуйста. I'm on the opposite side of the lake now. That's my little church there, over on the other side. I'm on my way to some hot springs, which is the only reason that I would tolerate these roads. Halfway, and my shoes are already too wet to care that I now have to cross this stream. I haven't cycled the whole way, just hiking. I'm about to find out how waterproof my panniers still are. 5 knee-deep creek crossings later, these hot springs better be good. You've got to be kidding me! No! Okay, I've walked on a little bit to the next point on the map, and there's a couple of 4-wheel drives parked up, so I guess that's where I'm heading. I made it, and my Swiss friends are here as well. Right, let's try these hot springs. Here is the so-called hot spring. It's not hot, it's barely warm, in fact, but I'm trying to find the positive. It's a very beautiful campsite. I just can't believe I have to hike back through 6 river crossings and 3 kilometers of mud tomorrow. Thank goodness for Dorothy and Timeo and Esra, because otherwise I'd be sitting sulking in my tent right now because it wasn't a hot spring. But unfortunately I've run into my neighbours again. Also, Shisha from Iran. You got this in Iran,
yes,
right?
from Iran.
Yeah.
These guys tell me really good things about Iran, so
Oh yeah.
We love it so much.
I'm still so excited to go.